శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 363rd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతం ఆదిపర్వం 220th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Sri Krishna saying to all the soldiers and Balarama like this, O my dear soldiers, if you all want to fight with Arjuna, you all cannot fight because Arjuna is so strong, valorous soldier. And if at all you fight with him, if he defeats us and go to his own country, with that all of our fame will be destroyed. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma said so many things. After that, all the Yadava soldiers and Balarama accepted Sri Krishna's words and Tachrutva Vasudevasya Tadha Chakruhu Janadhipa. They all did whatever Krishna said. Then with all that, Arjuna came back, married Subhadra, stayed in Dwaraka more than a year, and he received worship of all the Yadu soldiers, and from there he went to Pushkara Tirtham. He spent rest of the Aranyavasam, and finally Purnetu Dvadase Varshe Khandava Prasthamagataha. He went back to Khandava Prastham. Then having Dhaumya his Purohita ahead of him, Arjuna did namaskaram to Kunti Devi, did namaskaram to Dharmaraju, Bhimasena, and received namaskaram of Nakula, Sahadeva, and from there he went to Draupadi Devi. Tam Draupadi Pratyuvacha Pranayatu Kurunandanam. When Arjuna went to Draupadi, Draupadi was mad at Arjuna because he married Subhadra. But Arjuna comforted Draupadi Devi in so many ways, convinced Draupadi Devi in so many ways. After that, he let Subhadra Devi enter into palace. Then Subhadra Devi did namaskaram to Kunti Devi. Kunti Devi gave her blessings to Subhadra. Kunti Devi kissed on the forehead of Subhadra. Then Subhadra Devi went to Vavande Draupadim Bhadra Preshyahamiti cha abravit. Subhadra Devi went to Draupadi and did namaskaram and declared that, O Draupadi Devi, I am your servant. Then immediately Draupadi Devi hugged Subhadra Devi, and she also gave blessings, saying that may your husband has no enemy on this earth. Then Subhadra Devi felt very happy for Draupadi Devi's blessings and said that may it be as you said. Like that Subhadra Devi said. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.